This is day 1 of the World War II ration challenge, and now let's eat some breakfast. This is our breakfast today. Mum, you're having jam and butter, aren't you?
I am. And my bread?
Yeah, and I am having butter and bread.
Okay, what are we having to drink today?
So you are having tea?
Yuck.
Coffee.
Coffee.
That's right. Okay, you've also got water in you.
That's correct.
Not much coffee there.
I think that needs a bit of a top up, doesn't it?
Yeah. Okay. And this is my milk. And this is our butter allowance for the week. Let's tuck in my bread and butter. This is my mum's bread and jam. This is my cup of milk.
So now normally I would be reaching for my can of Coke as I'm a bit thirsty, but not today. I'm going for the water. Much healthier.
Well, I'm off to school now. I'm going to have school dinners, and lucky for me, school dinners weren't rationed. In the war, fish and chips were not rationed because it was a comfort food and the government wanted to keep morale up. So, yeah, let's go eat some fish and chips.
So this is my lunch today. I have got toast with a scraping of butter, followed by an apple and a lovely hot cup of coffee.
In the war, it's hard to get some fruit because of the boats being bombed and stuff, like bananas and oranges. And we've been lucky enough to be given these apples and pears. Well, these apples and pears are from my nanny's garden. And these big cooking apples are from one of our neighbours. We are now going to be making apple turnovers. So, let's pour in this milk and this fat. There we go. Pour this cup in. One, two, 3. Let's add some sugar. Our dough is now ready for rolling, so let's do this. Now that we've rolled it out, now we're going to cut it out. We've decided to do a double up because our cutters were a bit small. So we're going to have a few apples, like apple, apple. Then, is that enough then?
That looks good.
Then we get
Hang on, I want a little bit of sugar on there.
Sprinkle.
Not too much, yeah, a little sprinkle.
Ooh. Very good. Okay, now we're going to put this in the oven. Obviously, stand back. There we go, in the oven. Get the oven. Now we're going to be making leek and potato soup. In the war it was hard to get meat, so they had a lot of vegetarian meals, so that's why we have leek and potato soup today. So here we got the leek. Obviously it's leek and potato soup. This is the onions. We didn't have much onions because it was like hard to get in the war. We have celery and potatoes. So, oh yeah, and stock there. And butter in there. So, what are we adding first, Mum?
We shall add the leek. Okay, if you add the onion and celery then.
Yeah.
But not the potato yet. So give it a stir.
Okay, now let's add the potato. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Lots of potato. So add this now.
Let's give it a stir first to mix it in with the veg that's in there.
Yeah.
Okay, be stocking.
Okay. 1 and 2.
Okay, get your kettle.
Okay.
It's already got boiled water in that.
What? That's hot.
It is hot, yeah. And pour it over now.
Okay. What's that?
There we go, another coffee.
Ooh, nice.
Let's give that a stir.
Okay. Will that dissolve the stock?
It will.
Okay.
Give it a stir, that'll start dissolving that.
Sorry, I'm joking around. Yes. During the war, the Ministry of Food created a character, which is about a carrot, called Dr. Carrot, to encourage kids to eat carrots a day. And got this for the piggies, because don't want to waste carrot. Okay, let's feed the piggies with the carrot. There you go, that's your carrot rationing splash. Well, our soup's ready, isn't it, Mum?
Looks good.
Yeah,
Smells good.
definitely. We have now got our soup, haven't we, Mum?
We have, it looks lovely.
Yeah, and let's try it.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. In World War II, most people really liked white bread, but then they changed it to brown bread. So we have white bread here, but once this is gone, we're going on to the brown bread. And the brown bread was called the National Loaf.
What do you think?
It's alright. So, that was day 1. So we had some apple turnovers, soup and stuff. I wasn't really a fan of the apple turnovers. I really liked the soup. I really liked the fish and chips, very tasty. And bread was a little bit dry. But overall, I really enjoyed it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! You started another recording.